Hi, if you want to change system language of your Samsung Galaxy A35, then go in the phone settings. Here you just need to scroll till you find general management, and after that you want to go in language. So here if you added some languages you'll see it in this list, but I got only one, so let's change it. To change system language we just need to tap add language. After that, scroll through the list. Here you'll find many options for different languages. For example, let's add Ukrainian. Now we just want to tap on it. And if you want to set this new language as your default, you just need to tap second option, set as default. So just tap it, and just in a couple of seconds, everything will be translated to the language you selected. So everything is in Ukrainian language now. To bring back previous language, you just need to select this first section and now choose another language you want to set as your default. Just tap on it and then tap blue button, and just in a couple of seconds, everything will be translated back to this language. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!